the question is, this question was asked in GATE 2007. The question is the maximum number of IPv4 router addresses that can be listed in the record route option field of an IPv4 header. So you know that IPv4 header is having option field in it, right? And that ranges from 0 to 40 byte, correct? Now there is one of the application of IPv4 header under routing, that is called as record route. Record route. That is an application of this option field in which the packet is transmitted from a source device and it is going to be at the receiver's device. From source device to receiver's device, this packet will be transferred. So meanwhile, many routers may be encountered. So this record route is going to have the address of all these routers. Address means IP address of all these routers which was in the path when any packet was sent from sender to receiver. All the routers that was in the path, that the IP address of that is going to be recorded in that. And for that purpose, the question is asked how many maximum IP address we can store. So before that, let me try to let you know the maximum size is 40 byte. The maximum size is 40 byte, out of which 1 byte is consumed. Just to let you know the type of option we are using, type of option for this, 1 byte will be consumed, and we can say that 1 byte will consume for length field, 1 byte will consumed for length field, and 1 byte will consume option pointer. For pointer option will consume 1 byte, so the remaining is 37 bytes. Now you know one IP address is consisted of 32 bits, and 32 bits means nothing but 4 bytes. So 4 9 ja 36, maximum 36 bytes can be consumed. It means that maximum 9 IP addresses can be stored, because if I want to store 10 IP addresses, it will consume 40 bytes, but I don't have practically I only have 37 bytes available to store the record route in terms of IP addresses. That is why out of 37 byte we can only allocate 9 IP addresses that can be in the option field of the IPv4 header, because the maximum size is 40 byte. That is why option B is correct. Let me try to revise it. Total IP address length is 32 bit, that is 4 byte. Option byte length is 0 to 40 byte. We are asking that can be listed maximum number of IPv4 that we can listed in option field. So 37 byte of space we are having, because these 3 bytes consumed for type of option, length and pointer purpose. So out of 37 byte, each IP address consumes 4 byte. Now maximum 9 IP addresses we can store as a purpose of record route in option field of IPv4. I hope this solution is clear. Asked in GATE 2017. Question is very clear, interesting, logical, right?